Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a Jeulia jewelry unboxing as a part of the Jeulia 10th anniversary sale. This is going to be really exciting because it's a mystery box. I've never done something like this before. Normally I choose the product and they send it over to me, but this time it's a surprise, and who doesn't love surprises, right? So when Mercy from Jeulia contacted me for this collaboration, she asked me to choose among 4 themes. Very exciting, and it was really fun. The 4 themes were Starry Night Magic, Simple and Versatile Choice, Dreamy Ocean, and Golden Shimmer. And I chose Golden Shimmer. So let's all find out together. Oh my god, this is different and beautiful. Look at this. I'm not used to this one. I'm used to the black, like the plain black box, but look at this. This is extra special, and I love the color too. 10th anniversary edition. So, oh my god, box. Whoopsie daisy. What's this one? Instagram, Jeulia jewelry. Look at this. Is this for the phone? That's cute. Oh, this is extra cute. I can't. Inside, oh my god, packaging is impressive. Look at this. It's super cute. As always, it comes with a booklet. See all the collection. This is rather cute. Show you that. I don't want to rip it because it's so cute. And all this paper. Ah, no way. Oh, pink. Pink box. Jeulia. Oh, this is the cutest. Pink box. It's always been black. Oh my god. All right. I'm so excited. Let's open this one. So look, the box got Jeulia written on it. Oh, there's 2 items inside. First one is a ring. So Jeulia has my sizes already, guys, so they know what to send me. 5.5, perfect. This is the first item. So it's a ring. So as mentioned, I chose the Golden Shimmer. So that's it. I can take the tag off. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Oh, it's super cute. Look at them. It definitely is Golden Shimmer. I got what I wished for. That is beautiful. So that's the first item. The second one is, this would be for my daughter Paris or Celine. It's a mermaid. Oh my god. They're not here at the moment, but they'll be really happy when they see this. Look at that. So the mermaid has like a stone. Oh yeah, so her face is a stone, a gemstone. I hope you can see it. So that's a mermaid. That's her hair, and then the face. Oh, this is super nice. I'll put this on for now. I'll wear it before my girls. So that's what it looks like. That's the shortest setting, but you can make it longer if you want to. On to the next box. I can't get over with this pink box, guys. Like, I seriously don't want to let go of them. I'm gonna keep them in my closet. No way, there's another two. As mentioned, I didn't know what they sent me. They sent me another 2 rings. So it's 4 items in total. Thank you, Jeulia. Thank you so much, Jeulia. So generous. Alright. Oh. 5.5. Because they know, guys, if it is like a thinner band, I'm 5.5. But I'm 6 when it's thicker band. This is beautiful. Look at that stone. It's sparkling. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm running out of fingers to put all my blings. Well, that's a little bit... Oh, this is a bit tight. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. I want you to see the details because it is beautiful. So there's a big stone in the middle, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little stones on this side. So it looks like that. Let's check the last but not the least ring. It's an infinity ring. To infinity and beyond. Look at this. Well, this is a thicker band. Oh wow, they were right. I just look at the size and it says 6. My little ones are here now, guys. I could hear them. Alright, we'll see if this... It does. Let's just... like that. This is what it looks like. Look at that. Also, it's got stones. Shimmer. That's the theme.
So guys, I'm gonna try on this mermaid necklace now. And
she's here now, so she can wear it.
Look at the face.
I know, that's so cute. Thank you, Jeulia.
Yeah. What's the pink?
I know, it's super cute, right?
Yeah, but why is it pink?
Because they're doing their 10th anniversary sale. It's, oh, that looks so cute. Show them. It's beautiful.
I like it.
You like it? It's beautiful, I know. So here they are together, guys. 3 beautiful rings and Adi Paris's mermaid chain.
Thank you, Jeulia Jewelry, because I really love these pretty little rings, and I really like the packaging because it's so cute, and I like the...
It's pinky. Remember last time? They're all black. Yeah. Very happy with everything that we got, so thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending us these beautiful pieces. And if you're someone who is on the hunt for beautiful pieces, ring or necklace or
watch,
bracelet or
watch,
earrings, feel free to check out jeulia.com and make sure to use our special code for 15% off. Use the code JOVEY15, it's JOVEY 15, and save some cash off. Which one is your favorite, Paris?
I will go for this one.
Why?
I'll show which one so they can see properly. How do I do this? That one, because this is the one that fits me the most, and that it looks quite pretty, and the other ones I don't think will match my look.
Yeah? Is that your style?
Look. So this was my favorite.
Okay. So that's about it for today's unboxing, guys. Let us know in the comment section below which piece is your favorite one. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful, bye.
bye.
Be careful, bye.